If you find yourself banned from Payoneer, it is important to understand the process for appealing the ban. Follow these steps to effectively submit your appeal. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your Payoneer account, including your account number, any emails or notifications you received about the ban, and any transactions that may be in question. Step 2. Review Payoneer policies. Familiarize yourself with Payoneer's terms of service and policies. Understanding the reasons for your ban can help you address the issue more effectively in your appeal. Step 3. Prepare your appeal. Draft a clear and concise appeal letter. Include your account details, a brief explanation of your situation, and any evidence that supports your case. Be polite and professional in your tone. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal through the appropriate channel. This could be via the Payoneer support page, email, or any other method specified by Payoneer for handling disputes. Ensure you keep a copy of your submission. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Payoneer. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal a ban on Payoneer. Remember to remain patient and professional throughout the process.